C H I Mama, what is written in the newspaper?
It says that children are very unreliable eyewitnesses.
But I am a children. Why does it say that?
Because you're only 4 years old and you're suggestible in nature.
What does that mean?
So, suggestibility means that one's memory or recall of events is easily influenced.
But Mama, I'm so very smart. I can't be fooled by anybody.
Sure, beta, we'll see. How to fool a child in 3 steps.
Look, Mama.
By the way, beta, do you remember where we went last vacation?
Yes, last vacation we went to
Your uncle's?
my uncle's farmhouse.
Yes, and what did we do there?
Their uncle took me to his room and
Gave you a candy.
a candy.
Yes, a strawberry candy.
I love strawberry candy.
Yes, so uncle took you to his room and gave you your favorite strawberry candy.
My favorite.
You love strawberry candy, right?
I love strawberry candy.
So uncle took you to his room and gave you a strawberry candy. And you even came and showed it to me, didn't you?
Yes, I did. I remember now.
So you believe Mama, na? Mama knows everything.
Yes, Mama, you're always correct. I love you, Mama.
This was a dramatic representation of suggestibility in children's memory. Now, we will look at the factors affecting it in detail. Age. Younger children aged 3 to 4 are more susceptible to suggestibility, and as they grow older, they become less suggestible. Less information in free recall. Children's memories are not stored in an organized manner, so they need to have cues to recall information, and they provide less information in free recall. Lack of confidence. Children lack confidence and they look to adults for cues, and they also assume that adults have all the answers. Misinformation effect. The misinformation effect is the tendency for information received after an event to interfere with one's memory of the original happenings. Misleading questions. Falsely leading tag questions that presuppose inaccurate information increases suggestibility in children. Inability to identify the source of memory. Children have greater difficulty than adults in monitoring the sources of their memories. They may mistake information suggested to them for information obtained from actual experience. This increases suggestibility. Repetitive misinformation. When misinformation is fed in a constant and repetitive manner, it interferes with their memory and increases suggestibility. Time delay. The increase in time between the event and recall increases suggestibility. Substantial rewards, including parents' approval, leads children to accept different versions of the truth, an acceptance that could lead to a false memory. In addition to this, when we look at these factors in a legal context, they collectively raise doubts on the reliability of a child eyewitness.